Hi, I'm Antonio. I'm the lead developer on the Opencab project. We're just going to do a quick video to show where we're up to and what it can do so far. Okay, so we're heading for a booking and dispatch system that can do everything really, but at the moment the first release will just be very simple. Book a job, send it to a cab, and they can clear it and head for the next job. And we can do some intelligent stuff like sending it to the nearest vehicle to the pickup point. Okay, so we've got an agent logged in here, and we're going to book a job. So let's put a customer name in there. Put my name, and we'll put a number in. There we go. I'll have a pickup time. So I want to be picked up at 2 in the morning tomorrow night, and I want to be picked up from let's try Embrace nightclub. Embrace. Okay, so Embrace is this building here, and we can see it's picked up a postcode, picked up the street automatically for you, and the latitude and longitude of the pickup point. So now we'll go home. So let's say I live on Stradbroke Drive. There we are, Stradbroke Drive, S13, and I live at number 21. Okay, so we see that's 6 miles. It's calculated the mileage for you, and an estimated journey time of around 13 minutes. And we'll just book that job. Okay, so that job's gone off to the job hopper, where jobs sit, and they can get dispatched to cars, and you can basically the hopper holds all live jobs, and we'll have another database table to hold all the history of jobs. Okay. So we booked this job now, and let's have a look at how the drivers log in. So the driver has some kind of mobile device. Now it could be an iPhone, it could be an Android phone, it could be an iPad, a tablet, anything that really has a modern web browser on it. And over GPRS or 3G, over its data connection, they can go to a website, and they can log in. So we could put a username and password on here, but we'll, for the moment we've just got a mobile number. When I say mobile number, I'm talking about vehicle call sign. So we'll pick a call sign number 4, and we'll log in. And here it says clear to log in. So we'll press clear, and here we've got mobile 4 and disposition clear. We've no longitude and latitude and speed at the moment, because at the moment this is running on a PC with no GPS device, but on an Android phone or an iPhone or such device, you have a GPS device in there, and the browser can grab from that to your longitude, latitude, speed, direction, things like that, and even altitude. That's no real use in the taxi industry anyway. So we've got driver number 4 logged in, and he's waiting for a job. So we'll manually dispatch a job to him. So let's there we go, Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder, we'll put a phone number in for him. He wants to be picked up at 11 o'clock. And Bob the Builder has been drinking at the Pomona pub on Ecclesall Road. And he'd like to go to another pub. Let's pick another pub in Sheffield. Where else? The Nelson. Not very far away. He could walk it. Maybe he's too inebriated. So we're going to the Nelson. Here we've got a little funky icon here. Tells us it's a pub we're going to. I'm picking up from. And here it's picked up the postcode and the longitude and latitude again, and given us a mileage of 1 mile. Estimated journey time of nearly 3 minutes. So you can see it's not very far away. Anyway, so Bob the Builder wants to go there, and we want to assign vehicle number 4 to this job. So put 4 in there, book the job. And there we go. It'll appear on the driver's device down here that we're picking up Bob the Builder at 11 o'clock, and we're picking up from the Pomona and taking him to the Nelson. So we get there, we say we picked up, and that changes our disposition here to picked up, and then we'll drop him off and we'll clear the job. Okay, so I forgot what I was up to there. So yeah, we've cleared the job for Bob the Builder. Okay, so back to the booking screen. Let's go over what we're going to put in next. So we've got a lot of dead space on the booking screen. So here we'll probably have a larger map of the city that you're in, and you'll be able to see where all your cabs are. And that'll update the cab icons on the map, and you'll be able to see where everyone is. And also on these maps, you'll be able to see if we put an area in Sharrow, and you zoom out a little bit, you'll be able to see all the cabs around Sharrow, and what their disposition is. And maybe if you hover over them, it'll show you if what kind of car they are, whether they're a silver Skoda or a blue Volvo or whatever kind of car they are, and also who's driving it, if you had that in the database. About the dispatch, there's you can manually dispatch to cars here by putting the preferred vehicle in. You could there is a dispatch script, and in there we could have different types of dispatch, so nearest vehicle, first on plot, that type of thing. Now the plots aren't coming in until later versions, so probably the first way of dispatch automatically will be to nearest vehicle to pickup point. And because we've got the latitude and longitude of the vehicle and the latitude and longitude of the pickup, we can easily find out which is the nearest vehicle and automatically dispatch that to him. And that can be run via a cron job every minute, or even every 10 seconds. Not via cron, obviously. We just put a sleep in there and dispatch every 10 seconds. That should also be configurable, so you can say how often you want to check for jobs in the hopper that aren't been assigned to a vehicle and dispatch those. Also on here we would like a live view of the hopper, so we can see what jobs are currently waiting, what jobs are currently being picked up and drop off, things like that, and we'll be able to organise those by area. Yes, and also I haven't started work on the admin interface, and in that admin interface you'll be able to input all your driver's details and all your vehicle details of your fleet. So that's pretty much it. So hopefully I've generated some interest in this project, and we'll get some more developers on it, and hopefully after the version release in February we can get some testing done and more development work on it. Thank you very much. Yeah, maybe in the next video I'll show you how OpenStreetMap works, and you can add entrances to buildings and pickup points, and change the name of pubs. They're changing all the time. Add house numbers on. Generally map editing and keeping your map up to date. And in another video we'll have a look at the code and the database and how all that works. Thank you very much.